Hello there. We invite you to embark on a virtual journey to the heart of the Caribbean, Jamaica. This tropical paradise is a trove of rich culture, pulsating history, and breathtaking natural beauty. From soaring through the treetops to diving into crystal-clear blue waters, from drifting along serene rivers to exploring the former home of a reggae legend, Jamaica offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. So strap in as we unveil the top 10 fun activities to engage in while visiting Jamaica. First on our list is the exhilarating zipline adventure at Mystic Mountain. Nestled in the heart of Ocho Rios, this adventure promises an unmatched adrenaline rush for just $80 per person. Imagine soaring through the treetops, your heart pounding in your chest as you whiz along the zipline. The wind whispers in your ears and the lush Jamaican rainforest unfurls beneath your dangling feet. The thrill isn't just in the ride, though. As you zipline, prepare to be mesmerized by breathtaking views of the coastline, a sparkling blue expanse that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's not just about the thrill, though. Mystic Mountain is committed to eco-friendly practices, ensuring that your adventure doesn't come at the expense of nature's beauty. An eco-friendly adventure with a thrilling twist, wouldn't you agree? Next up, we dive into the enchanting Blue Hole. Just a short drive from Ocho Rios, this hidden gem is worth every penny of its $100 entrance fee. Imagine plunging into crystal-clear blue waters, surrounded by lush tropical vegetation. This isn't your average swimming hole. The Blue Hole offers more than just a refreshing dip. It's an adventure filled with cliff jumping, swimming, and exploration. The Blue Hole is a testament to Jamaica's natural beauty, tucked away off the beaten path. The thrill of jumping off a cliff into the cool water below is an exhilarating experience you won't forget. The surrounding vegetation adds to the sense of adventure, making you feel as if you've discovered a secret oasis. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, the Blue Hole is a must-see on your Jamaican itinerary, a hidden gem that promises an unforgettable experience. For a serene adventure, we turn to rafting on the Martha Brae River. Nestled in the charming town of Falmouth, this tranquil river offers an experience of a lifetime. For a mere $70 per couple, you can drift gently down this enchanting waterway, aboard a bamboo raft steered by an expert raftsman. Picture this: you're gliding on emerald waters, surrounded by a lush tropical landscape, with nothing but the soft whispers of nature to keep you company. It's not just about the peaceful journey, though. The Martha Brae River is steeped in history and folklore. As you float along, your raftsman doubles as your storyteller, regaling you with tales of the river's past. It's a mesmerizing blend of relaxation and narration that leaves you with a deeper appreciation for the land's rich history, a tranquil voyage through rich history and astounding beauty. As night falls, we set off to the magical luminous lagoon. Nestled in the charming town of Falmouth, this natural wonder is a must-see on your Jamaican adventure. For just $50, you can embark on an enchanting night tour that will leave you spellbound. Picture this: as dusk settles, you glide across the tranquil lagoon in a boat. But this is no ordinary boat ride. As you cut through the water, it begins to glow, illuminating the night with a mesmerizing light show. This spectacle is caused by millions of microscopic organisms that light up when disturbed, giving the lagoon its luminous quality. It's a thrilling, surreal experience that feels like a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. The luminous lagoon is one of only a few places in the world where you can witness this natural phenomenon. It's truly a sparkling spectacle that lights up the night. For the music lovers, we have the iconic Bob Marley Museum. Located in the vibrant city of Kingston, this museum is a must-visit for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the rich culture and history of Jamaica's most legendary musician. For a mere $25, the museum offers a chance to explore the former home and final resting place of the reggae pioneer Bob Marley. Here you can walk through the rooms that once echoed with the soulful melodies of his songs, and feel the rhythm and vibrations of his music. The museum is a tribute to Marley's life and legacy, filled with personal artifacts and memorabilia. It's a place where his spirit is palpable, and his message of love and unity continues to inspire visitors from around the world. Delve into the roots of reggae, discover the story behind the man, and be moved by Marley's timeless music. A melodious journey through the reggae legend's life awaits you at the Bob Marley Museum. For a splash of fun, we head over to Dolphin Cove. Nestled in the vibrant city of Montego Bay, this family-friendly attraction is a must-visit for anyone seeking a dose of aquatic adventure. For a price of $90 per person, you can dive into a day of unique marine encounters. At Dolphin Cove, you get to do more than just observe. You can swim with the playful dolphins, feeling their smooth skin against your own as they glide through the water. You can also interact with the gentle stingrays, marveling at their grace and beauty. This isn't just a visit, it's an immersive experience, one that allows you to connect with marine life in a way you've never done before. Whether you're a seasoned snorkeler or a first-time swimmer, Dolphin Cove promises an experience that's both thrilling and safe. So come, dive in and let the ocean's charm captivate you. A marine adventure that leaves you with unforgettable memories. And that, folks, is just a taste of the exciting adventures that await you in Jamaica. From soaring through the treetops on a zipline at Mystic Mountain, to diving into the crystal-clear blue waters of the Blue Hole, Jamaica is a treasure trove of exhilarating experiences. Each activity offers not just an adrenaline rush, but also a chance to soak in the island's natural beauty and rich culture. Picture yourself drifting along the serene Martha Brae River on a bamboo raft, guided by an expert raftsman, or witnessing the magic of the luminous lagoon, where microscopic organisms light up the water in a mesmerizing glow. Immerse yourself in the history and culture of Jamaica at the Bob Marley Museum, the former home and final resting place of the iconic reggae legend. Or, for a touch of aquatic adventure, head over to Dolphin Cove, where you can swim with dolphins and interact with stingrays. Embrace the laid-back beach life at 7 Mile Beach, or delve into the traditions and spirituality of the Rastafarian community at the Rastafari Indigenous Village. For the thrill seekers, the Jamaican bobsled experience at Mystic Mountain is a must-try, and the Green Grotto Caves offer a peek into the island's intriguing underground world. As you can see, Jamaica is brimming with fun activities that cater to all tastes and preferences. So why not consider these experiences for your next vacation? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next video.